In this video I will show you how to make slits for the handles in the first row of the upper edge backing for the back. So this is the part, the backing, which we will be folding inside the back like that. And to attach a handle, we will insert its end in the slit like that. Here we will attach the handle to the back, fold that backing to the wrong side, and it will cover that handle end. So we will, the result will be very neat way to attach a handle. Nothing is visible. The backing covers the handle end very nicely. So the last row is made with single crochet, and the first, the backing is made with back loop single crochet stitches, and the slits are made in the first row. I will be using this sample to show you how to make a slit, heavier yarn and bigger hook for better visibility. So this row, let's say it's the last single crochet row of the back, and we started the first row of the upper edge backing with back loop single crochet stitches and about to make the first slit. So we are inserting, to make the first stitch, the slit will be made with chainless single crochet foundation stitches. To make the first one, insert hook in the same stitch in which you just made the last back loop single crochet. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and through only first loop on the hook. This loop here is a foundation for the next stitch. Let's finish the first one, yarn over, and through 2 loops on the hook. Now we will make the second one, and inserting hook in that stitch, but make sure to insert it in 2 loops. So this is the first one, and the second one is this one. 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over through those 2 loops, yarn over through only 1 loop on the hook, and this loop here is the foundation again for the next stitch. Yarn over through 2 loops on the hook. Again, inserting hook in those 2 loops. And so on. You have to make 9 stitches. So we've made 9 stitches, and now we have to continue our first upper edge backing row. We're skipping 9 stitches of the previous row and about to make the first back loop single crochet. If we just make it like that, you can see that this connection here is not looking very good, because the foundation, the last stitch foundation, is not connected to anything. So instead of that, to make that first single back loop single crochet after the slit, after the chainless foundation, again insert your hook like you are about to make the 10th stitch, 10th chainless single crochet foundation stitch, and at the same time insert hook in the next stitch after skipping 9. Yarn over and draw yarn through that back loop of the next stitch and those 2 loops of the last chainless single crochet, and finish. And this is our first back loop single crochet, and at the same time we connected the foundation of previous stitch with the previous row. Let's make a few stitches here. And see what we achieved here. So you can see that the connection here is nice and neat. Everything's connected, and this is the, when you make a few rows after that, you will be working in those stitches. You will fold it to the wrong side of the back, to the inside, like that. And you will insert handle in this slit here.